New Claude Co-Work update is insane. AI just stopped being your assistant. It's your coworker now. Claude Co-Work just dropped a massive update, and it changes everything. This thing runs on your computer, touches your files, and gets work done while you sleep. It's new, it's big, and it just opened up to everyone. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you're going to see AI completely differently. So right now, most people use AI like a search engine. You type something in, you get something back. Cool, done. But that's old AI. Claude Co-Work is different. You don't ask it things, you give it tasks, real tasks, and it goes and does them. We're talking open files, edit spreadsheets, plan multi-step projects, run workflows, all by itself while you're doing something else. That's not a chatbot. That's a digital worker. And the new update, it just made this thing way more serious. Let me break it down fast. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst Julian's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to give you the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below. He'll see it. Okay, so what actually changed in this update? 3 big things. First, it's now available to all subscribers. Before this, Co-Work was in a research preview, limited access. Not everyone could use it. Now, if you're on any Claude subscription plan, you've got it. And that's huge. That means Anthropic is saying, this is ready. This is real. This isn't a test anymore. That's a big deal because AI agents have been coming soon forever. This one just arrived. Second, they added enterprise features. Now, before you skip past this because you're not a big company, hear me out. Because this tells you exactly where AI is going. They added something called role-based access control. That means a company can say, this team can use Co-Work for this, but not that. Different people, different permissions. Why does that matter to you? Because it means Co-Work is being built for real work. At scale, across teams. This isn't a toy anymore. They also added usage analytics, so companies can actually see how their teams are using Co-Work, what tasks it's doing, how much time it's saving. It turns AI from a vibe into something you can track and measure. And they added expanded open telemetry support. Fancy name, simple idea. It means you can monitor exactly what the AI agent is doing, every step, every action. If something breaks, you can see where. That's huge for anyone running AI at scale. Third, the core product itself is just more capable now. Files, browser, apps, spreadsheets, multi-step planning, async work, meaning it runs in the background while you're not even looking. Think about that. You set a task, you go do something else, you come back. It's done. That's not science fiction. That's Claude Co-Work right now. Now here's where I want to stop and zoom out for a second, because this update isn't just a feature drop, it's a signal. Anthropic is not building a chat tool. They're building something that sits between you and your computer and does the work. So people calling what's happening with AI agents right now a SaaS apocalypse. Because think about all the tools you use: project management, email automation, data entry, spreadsheet work, file organization. Co-Work can touch all of that across your whole system, not locked inside one app. That's why this dropped like a bomb across the tech world. Because when AI can do cross-tool work, it shakes up a lot of traditional software categories. Now, I'm not saying go cancel all your software today, but I am saying the way work gets done is shifting fast. Quick pause. If you want to stay ahead of all of this, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. Link is in the description. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and automate your workflow with AI tools like Claude Co-Work. We go deep on exactly how to use these tools so your team does more, faster, without the guesswork. Let's keep going, because I want to talk about what this actually means for you. If you run a business, even a small one, Claude Co-Work is basically giving you a digital team member, one that doesn't need breaks, doesn't get tired, can work across your files, your folders, your systems. Imagine you've got a list of tasks that used to take hours: research, organizing data, summarizing files, updating spreadsheets. Now you hand that list to Co-Work and it gets done. That's not about replacing your team. That's about making your team and yourself way more powerful. The solo operators who figure this out first, they're going to do the work of teams 3 times their size. Think about what that means for a small agency, a freelancer, a startup. You've got the same AI infrastructure as a big company now, minus the headcount. That's the real unlock here. And here's something nobody's talking about enough. The enterprise features in this update, RBAC, analytics, monitoring, those aren't just for big companies. They're a blueprint for how to use AI responsibly. If you're deploying AI in your business, you need to know what it's doing. You need to be able to control it. You need to see the results. The fact that Co-Work now gives you those tools means you can run AI agents in your business with actual confidence, not just crossing your fingers and hoping. That's what makes this update different from just new features. It's AI that's now built to be trusted at work, in companies, across teams. Let's talk about the open loop here, because this update raises a big question. If AI can plan tasks, execute workflows, work asynchronously, and operate across your whole computer, what does your workflow look like in 12 months? I don't think the answer is AI does everything. I think the answer is The people who figure out how to work with AI agents like Co-Work are going to be operating at a completely different level, not because they work more hours, because they've got leverage. A task that used to take 4 hours, maybe it takes 20 minutes now, because you set Co-Work on it, review the output, make edits, done. That's the shift. From doing everything yourself to being the decision maker who directs AI to do it. That's the new skill. And the people who learn it now are going to have a massive advantage. Now, I want to be straight with you. Co-Work isn't perfect. No AI agent is right now. You still need to review what it does. You still need to set it up properly. You still need to understand your own workflow well enough to know what to hand off. But that's true of any new hire too, right? You don't just hire someone and disappear. You train them. You check their work. You build trust over time. Same thing with AI agents. The difference is AI agents don't need weeks to ramp up. They don't have bad days, and they scale. So the sooner you start learning how to direct AI to do real work, not just answer questions, the better positioned you are. And here's where I'll zoom back in on this specific update one more time. The general availability launch is not a small thing. When something moves from research preview to available to all paid users, that's Anthropic saying, this is the product now. This is what Claude does, not just chat. Work. That's a repositioning of what Claude is. It's not just a smart assistant anymore. It's an agent, a doer, something you deploy, not just talk to. And with the enterprise features layered on top, analytics, permissions, monitoring, this is built for the next stage of AI adoption, where companies don't just experiment with AI. They integrate it, they depend on it, they measure it. We are at the start of that stage right now. So here's the takeaway. Claude Co-Work just went from preview to production. It's available now. It's got enterprise features that make it safe and measurable. And it can do real work, some files, apps, workflows, multi-step tasks autonomously. This isn't about the future of AI anymore. This is the present. The people who learn to use tools like this now are going to be operating at a level that most people won't catch up to for years. So start now. Get in, figure it out, use it. And if you want the full playbook for using AI tools like Claude Co-Work in your business with step-by-step SOPs, use cases, and a community that's actually crushing it with AI, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. Link is in the description. It's where we go deep on exactly how to use AI agents like Co-Work to scale your business, automate the boring stuff, and get more done with less. Seriously built for people who are serious about this. And if you want something completely free, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community. Over 38,000 members in there using AI every day. You'll get the full video notes from this video, plus access to every use case, tool breakdown, and resource we share. Links are in the comments and description. Come join us. Julian reads every comment. Drop one below. Tell me what you think about Claude Co-Work. Are you using it? Are you going to? I'll see you in the next one.